Greetings, children.
Welcome to RKC online classes, students. I hope you all are doing well and staying at home and keeping yourself safe. Today, Form 9, we are going to study article writing. It's an 8-mark question for your English literature. These are the points which you need to remember while writing an article. An article should be like a conversation with the reader. It is an expression of one's thought on an issue or a subject logically and coherently written in meaningful paragraphs. An article writing needs good research skills, creativity, good vocabulary, good knowledge of the subject, and skill to organize ideas. What is the purpose for article writing? To focus on theme like social concern, narrating an event, description of a place, explain a simple idea, etc. Students, you need to keep the format in the mind while writing the article. The very first line is the heading. If the heading is given in the question, you need to write the same heading. Otherwise, the title which you put must be catchy and sharp. The very next line followed should be the name. Again, please keep in mind, if the name is not given in the question, you will write ABC or XYZ or the name which is given in your question. Then you need to leave a line and start with the body. Your first paragraph is the introduction. Please keep in mind that start with a slogan, a question, an amazing fact, figure, or statement. Then again, leave a line, and your second and the third para has the content, which is the causes, effects, present state of affairs, etc. Leave a line again and for your fourth paragraph, you should draw a conclusion. Draw solutions and conclusions. Please remember the points while writing an article. Give a title that catches the attention of the reader. Begin with a striking opening sentence which addresses the reader and gets them interested in the topic. Text can be written using subheadings. It helps to bring clarity to the paragraph. Present a strong argument for your idea, supporting it with evidence or elaboration. Use linking devices. However, therefore, although, even though, in order to. To make the composition appear as a whole, introduce a new point at the beginning of each paragraph that follows to strengthen your ideas. Develop your ideas as much as you can to make them interesting and substantial. Conclude with your strongest point. Perhaps give the reader something to think about either by asking a question or by asking to act upon. Use passive voice, humor, emotive language, rhetorical questions, real life, or made up examples to provide a specific effect. Use semi formal or conversational tone. Please avoid too much of formal language and words like to sum up. Some people say nevertheless, on one hand, etc. Avoid too many questions. Here is the format of an article. Again, here is the question. Failure and success are part of life. Failures show us our weaknesses and help us to achieve success by conquering them. Write an article on failure is a stepping stone to success in 150 to 200 words. You are Girish and Garima. Students, this is your question, but you will see that I have also given you the marking pattern, how the examiner gives you marks. When you put your heading properly, followed by you get 1 mark, that is the title. For your title, you get 1 mark. For your grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spelling, you're getting 1.5 mark. Coherence, relevance of ideas and style, you get again 1.5 mark. And for your content, you get 4 marks. If you see, they have already given the title in the question. Failure is a stepping stone to success. So we need to put the same title when we start writing the article. Then they have also given the name in the question. That's why immediately in the next line I have put the name by Girish. Then you need to leave a line and start writing the article. If you go to see, I am writing my article with a catchy starting. Failure and success are two sides of a coin. Like success, we should accept failure also. This saying means that if a person fails once, he should not lose heart. He must observe his mistakes and try to overcome them in his next attempt. Repeated efforts lead one to success. Failures give us a new point of view through which we can achieve success. So, we should always regard failure as the first step or a stepping stone to success. Students, if you go to see, this was my introductory paragraph. You need to then leave a line and start your second paragraph. The story of King Bruce and the spider is an excellent example. He lost 8 battles, and the 8th time he lost very heavily, so that he had to hide in a cave. There he saw a spider trying to build a web. The spider could not link the web at a particular point, though it tried a number of times, but finally it was successful. This inspired him, and he again organized an army which defeated his enemies finally. Now, the next paragraph, that is the third paragraph. Again, you need to leave a line and start from your margin only. Even in science, inventions and discoveries do not happen overnight. Thomas Alva Edison was a very great inventor, and he tried more than 1,000 times to make a filament bulb. Later on, being successful, Edison started that. He succeeded because he found 1,000 ways in which not to make the filament bulb. Finally, your fourth paragraph, that is the conclusion. So, failure should not be regarded as the inefficiency of the person concerned. If a man armed with the expressions of failure picks up courage and goes on doing a thing, success will be his. Failures provide a chance of self-improvement, so we should face them boldly and cheerfully. Students, if you go to see, this was my conclusion. You also need to please keep in mind that you have to keep the word limit in your mind, that is 150 to 200 words. Till now, I taught you what is an article. I also shared with you an example how to write an article. Now, You all can have self-assessment with the questions which I am sharing with you. I hope you all do well. Thank you so much. Please stay at home and take care of yourself. Thank you, students.